Happy Halloween, Saucy fans! My name's Zoe and it is spooky time here on Saucy Cat. And it's that time of year where pumpkin is in literally everything. I'm talking coffee, pies, soups, cookies, I've even found cat food with it. But one thing maybe you haven't tried before, and that is perfect for a Hallows Eve, is pumpkin. Mac and cheese. Let's get into it. I'm using one of those small pie pumpkins, also called sweet pumpkins. They just tend to taste a little bit better than your typical carving variety. We're gonna roast this for a bit to help soften the flesh up. Let's grab our Saucy Cat exclusive pumpkin cutter, also known as Connor, and cut the pumpkin in half. Scoop out the seeds and gutsy bits, but don't throw them away. I'll show you what to do with those next week. Place it cut side down on a baking sheet and bake at 400 for about 40 minutes. While we wait, let's boil some water for our pasta. I'm gonna boil this for 1 less minute than package instructions. Time for our vegan cheese sauce. In a blender, we'll add cashews, water, salt and pepper, garlic and onion powder, nutritional yeast, a small carrot, a little bit of paprika, and a splash of lemon juice. We are still missing the star ingredient, so don't blend it up just yet. Take the pumpkin out of the oven and reset the oven to 350. After letting our pumpkin cool for just a couple minutes, let's scoop out its delectable innards. We need about 3 cups worth, which in my experience is exactly what you get out of one of these. Into the blender goes our pumpkin, and blend until it is as smooth as you can possibly get it. Add a little more water if you need to get it to a saucy consistency, but no more than 3 cups max. Big bowl time. Mix the pasta with the sauce until it's all even. Then it's time for baking. You have some options here. You can either do the easy and reasonable thing and grab one big casserole dish, spray it with some nonstick spray, and pour all the mac and cheese in. Or you can do what I did and insist on using these super incredible but tiny skull dishes, forcing me to grab even more, just as small if not even smaller containers, thus having a Frankenstein collage of dishes piecing together my mac and cheese. Hashtag no regrets. One final thing to send this to the top. Grab a small bowl and mix together Panko breadcrumbs and salt and pepper. Sprinkle this on top of your mac and cheese, or in my case, mac and cheeses. Throw it all into the oven for about 20 minutes. You know it's done when the panko starts to brown on top. I'd say to plate this dish, but mine are already single serve ready to go. So let's just enjoy some pretty B-roll. I can tell you already, this smells amazing. The pumpkin does not clash with the cheese at all. In fact, I'd say the cheese is really highlighting that pumpkin flavor. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what your favorite pumpkin recipes are in the comments section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more spooky vegan content, and I'll scare you next time on Saucy Cat.
Come on.
You got this.
Oh.
Oh.
Aha!
Yay!
There it is.